What's up, guys? This is your boy Dan. This is the recording of my dynamic microphone na wired. I'm just hindi pa malakas yung voice ko. And I'm using ferrite beads sa mga wires ko. So this is the default sound of the Loda M2000 voice coil. No, it's a dynamic one, which means this thing has a voice coil similar to a speaker, but it's the opposite. Since this one is converting mechanical energy to electrical energy, and that electrical signal is sent to your PC or your smartphone, and it depends on what device you are recording at. So for speakers, it's the opposite. So the speakers converts electrical energy to mechanical energy to make a sound, right? It reproduces sound, so they react to the electrical signal. So this is the test of the microphone, dynamic microphone with the beads, ferrite beads to it, attached to the XLR cable, which is dalawa siya. One end to the female and one end to the male connection near the mixer. So yes, sound check 1 2 3. Sound check 1 2 3.